Basunko no a one more ATA IGP audio no and so one more atia konyam na National Security Minister wono ena akopie Basunfo no so animu na we de wo munyi MP abonten fi se yenwura Samuel Atachia susu se eni ho kwan se ba abonten wo bambo emu ensemu nti Adom TV Kasee etoso.
Chairman, good morning.
Yes, my brother.
Are you going in camera or still a public here?
No, it's going to be in camera.
In camera for today. But any word from you before you go? Perhaps what should we expect? Is the National Security Minister coming?
That is so. He's going to come. And then after that, the rest of them will also take their turns. Yeah.
So the in camera is in respect to the National Security Minister?
Today's whole proceeding will be in camera. The rest of them.
That's what committee has decided. Yes. Is there any special reason to that?
Yeah, because it is important that some of the matters that we are going to dig out today will not offend national security considerations. And I think yesterday we said it. I don't know why you want me to repeat myself.
So is it going to be in the form of interrogation of all the witnesses?
The National Security Minister will finish and go. And then the rest of them will also take their stand and then continue.
All right, thank you very much. COP, good morning. This is Samuel, Joy News. Can you talk to us briefly? What you make of the process so far? Do you have something to say?
No.
You heard from your boss, Dr. Dampari, but your body language communicated otherwise, like you didn't agree with him. Is that the case? When he was giving his testimony?
Don't worry.
You wouldn't comment?
You totally.
Are we expecting a showdown in this in-camera hearing? Are we expecting?
I'm not going to do that.
But let me hear from you, Superintendent. Sorry, you have nothing to say? No showdown? Why wouldn't you want to comment?
Why should I comment? I'm appearing in a committee. If I talk here, it means that it's against the rules of the law.
But how do you feel about the whole situation so far?
Oh, why?
You've heard the commentary so far.
No,
there's another video coming out. No, I'm talking about reactions from people out there. How do you feel about it?
Oh, I don't want to talk about it now.
Are you sad about how the issue is developing?
My friend, forget about it. Continue asking me. I'm not really.
You wouldn't comment. Chairman, so I'll be waiting for you after the in-camera hearing.
See the chairman.
Yeah, the chairman has spoken to that. That it is going to be an in-camera. It's no longer going to be public.
Okay.
So we'll hear from you after the in-camera hearing?
Don't worry.
I'm sure you should be tired about this whole situation. All right, thank you, Chairman.